Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi.
I'm Susie.
And this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today, this is a husband and wife edition again. Susie has been in a couple of videos before. Today we're going to be making some burgers. We're making burgers from scratch. And story about the burgers is, before I moved here from Jamaica, I did not like burgers.
He never had a burger, so how can he not like a burger if he never had one? Which was my point when we first started dating. And so, push come to shove, he finally tries one and he realizes that he loves them.
So now I'm actually a burger snob, and today we're going to be making some Jamaican style bacon cheddar burgers. Stay tuned, see how we make this. Make a run up boy.
So one of the reasons that I put it in the freezer is because it actually blends a little bit coarser, so it's not so fine. When you're using your blender or your food processor, it gives it a nice coarse blend. Doesn't need to be completely frozen, you kind of want somewhere halfway in between. You want nice kind of thicker slices. I usually will just cut it up in chunks and then kind of sprinkle it all over. You want to do about a pound, a half a pound at a time. Otherwise you won't get the same consistency.
So I'm just using a little bit of avocado oil. It's an oil with a high smoking point, and I don't really need a lot of oil. The burgers do have a fair amount of fat. I just want a little bit just to give the skillet a hand. I'm not going to be doing much. This is cast iron, so the skillet's going to be doing all the work.
Alright, so my burger is done. I'm a pretty simple girl, but a little extra. I like extra pickles, and arugula is my favorite green to put on a burger. It's a little mayonnaise and a little cheese, and that's all I want on mine. Give it a taste. that pepper bacon. Unless I told you it was in there, you wouldn't guess, but it was so good.
So what do you think about using the REGGAE spice versus a typical burger seasoning?
Well, we've tried it all. But when we use this, it cuts down a lot of the seasonings we have to use. And it's like makes it perfect. Just the pepper bacon and booyah. That's all you need.
So, as I've said in many of my videos before, this booyah seasoning, for me, is becoming a household favorite.
For sure.
Very versatile. Use it on any kind of meat. Today we're doing burgers. Just the booyah seasonings and some fresh herbs. And voila. Really, really good.
It's so juicy.
Let me know, guys, if you want me to put Susie in some more videos. She's really creative, but maybe she's shy, I don't know. Ingredients and the directions are going to be in the description below. Also, there's going to be an affiliate link for the REGGAE spice seasonings. Also, go ahead and check that out. And find me on Instagram. My new threads were put together by Sue Glam Monogram on Instagram. I'll put her name right down here so you can go check her out.
She did a good job.
She did. To recap, it's REGGAE spice booyah, some peppered bacon, onion, scallions, and some garlic. Simple seasonings that we put on the burger. It's just a little family recipe. We're gonna share that with you guys. Thank you for Susie for coming along today.
Yeah.
And stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.